RealityWorks is excited to introduce the Bovine Milking Udder Simulator. The focus is getting students to understand the udder and how it works. It has about the same height to it as an average cow, as well as the width of an average cow. So students can get that kind of feeling of what the width is and where the legs are compared to their udder. Now, it also has a tail, so you have to work around and be able to interact with that. We have the udder down here where you can actually simulate different things. If it's putting on the milking machine, if it is doing some teat dip and showing students how to do that, we can open the top hatch here. And inside, you can actually take out the bottles, you can fill them with liquid, milk with different things here, with food coloring, and be able to show the 4 chambers and that each one is different. And in this case then, you can have students do different simulations. If it's testing for different types of diseases, if you want to do the California Mastitis Test, you can actually put in the milk there with the ability to then kind of have them do that test and see how did it turn out, what is the answer to any problems it might be. We also have a plastic tray here, so then as you use that, it will then drip down and it's easy cleanup, easy usage for your students to be able to really get an understanding of the bovine milking udder and how it all works together.